After leaked renders of the Pixel 9 series, it appears that the Pixel Fold 2 is also joining the club of smartphones with a prominent camera bump. Recently, images of an early prototype of Google's next foldable device were leaked, giving us a glimpse of what to expect. According to reports, the Pixel Fold 2 will skip a processor generation and instead feature the upcoming Tensor G4 chip, which will be paired with a whopping 16 gigs of RAM, a first for Pixel phones. Now, Android Authority has provided us with a new report, showcasing what is likely to be this year's Pixel Fold 2. The most striking feature is the redesigned camera bump, which ditches the bar design of the Pixel Fold for a rounded rectangle that protrudes from the top left corner. This design bears a strong resemblance to the camera array seen in the initial leaks of the Pixel 9 series. The camera sensors on the Pixel Fold 2 seem to be similar to those on the first-generation foldable, albeit rearranged. It's also worth noting that the temperature sensor found in the Pixel 8 Pro, which is set to return with the Pixel 9 Pro, is still absent in Google's second foldable. The original Pixel Fold had a unique small and super wide form factor among foldables. However, for the sequel, Google seems to be taking a completely different approach, opting for a much taller aspect ratio that closely resembles the OnePlus Open. According to Android Authority's source, it is closer to a square. Another noticeable change is the hinge, which now bears a striking resemblance to the one used by OnePlus, at least from what we can gather from this image. While OnePlus and Samsung have focused on more squared-off designs, Google's form factor remains extremely rounded around the corners. Considering that this device is still in the prototype phase, we can't simply assume every visible detail is set in stone. However, Google's decision to use matte materials for the Pixel Fold 2 hinge, instead of the polished metal used in the first Fold, cleverly conceals the hinge when the phone is unfolded. Following the trend set by last year's Pixel Fold release, it's widely anticipated that the Pixel Fold 2 will make its debut in the summer, possibly being unveiled at Google I/O 2024. Moreover, rumors of a Tensor G4 chip and design elements reminiscent of the Pixel 9 series suggest that the Pixel Fold 2 may be part of this fall's Made by Google lineup. So, what are your thoughts on this potential new design for the Pixel Fold 2? Share your opinions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and peace out.